Right, everybody? Just a quick one. There, it's got tools. For these things wrapped up like this, it generally means they're not quite finished, but nearly good enough to go. Right, this is again personal kit, but it's not quite finished, so I'll go into this. Right, so it's in a plastic box, no rattle. Well, a little rattle there, but there's my phone. Show you the size. It's an iPhone. It's not too big. Alright, let's get into it. I've left the foam on the top. Right, I'll just start taking things out. These here are reciprocating saw blades. There's two there for wood. Two there for metal. Some junior hacksaw blades. Pencil. Nylon tape measure. Millimeters and metric. Screwdrivers with adapter. There's a ratchet driver. Ratchet driver for the screwdrivers. Posi drive bits. Also star cross bits. Small adjustable spanner. Little pry bar. Some long nose locking pliers. Some normal locking pliers or mold grips. One second. What I was trying to do was get that out of its sheath. It's one of those little knifey things. Pry bar knifey thing. Two small crowbars. Two of. See it there? Little pair of calipers, measurement calipers. Inside and external. Small. Drill bit. Flathead straight screwdriver. Some really small pliers for grips, really. Half a hacksaw blade in there, look. There's another drill bit. You can drill pilot holes, get your saw bits in to start off. I'll come back to that, look. I'll just leave that there so you can see it. There's another even smaller shift key. One of those little pocket ninja things. Scalpel blade to sharpen my pencil with. A hex screwdriver bit. Posi drive screwdriver bit, sorry. And some more half hacksaw blades. And in here, keep lock picking set. Okay, just show you that 1 second. Right, what I've pulled out there basically is a magnet. I'll keep that in there like that, look. There's a magnet. And in front there, these are I've found these kind to be good. Those metal ones, you get a bit of sensitivity back in your fingers. But they're the ones that are in the front there that I normally use. There's a tension bar. That's a blank credit card type piece of plastic. And behind there is the remainder of those, you know, the odd ones. But these are the ones there that I have the most success with. Like I say, there's a tensioning bar there. And I don't know if you saw that little bag in the corner there like that. I've showed you these before. They come in like a credit card type thing. That's just another little small lockpick set, but I've had great success with those. You know what I mean? I've had a good success with those. That's my lockpick set. So I've got lockpicks, plastic with a credit card in there, which is a full credit card. They're the ones that I go to because I have more success with. And those, and a little magnet. I don't actually know what you would call that. Just a little kit. I just know it's tools, but there's a fair bit in there. I'm not saying it's light because it's not, but that's just a little tool kit. I've come up with my personal kit. Like I say, if it's kept in there and got a tag on, generally means it's good enough to go, but I'm not quite, you know, I'll probably tweak that. That's just tools only. I'll show you something. Yeah, I know you've probably seen that before, but those little, see how small they are, those mold grips, clock pliers. You get your saw blade in there. That gives you an adequate saw. Yeah, and like I say, couple of kinds of blades in there. They're for reciprocating saws, not jigsaws, reciprocating saws. That one there's for wood, and they're for metal. Right down to little drill bits. You know, get you out of a jam, wouldn't it? Or get you into one. Pry bars, lock picks. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else in there. Just a little, like I say, not quite finished with it yet, but it's nearly there now for a little going in kit, whatever you want to call it, or yeah, you know what I'm saying. Toolie kit. Just a quick one on that.